Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi 13 device, and now I can show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from your recycle bin gallery. So, firstly, open the gallery application. Open the gallery, and as you can see, here I have a lot of photos, and now I want to remove some of these. So I will choose photos I want to remove, and I'm clicking delete, great. And now I want to recover these photos. So to do it, you need to open albums and find here trash bin, not trash, but trash bin. Open it, and here you will see all removed photos and videos. All your removed photos and videos will be stored here during 30 days after removing. After this time, your device will remove your photos and videos permanently. Not temporary, sorry, but permanently. So that's it. And as you can see, clear trash. Right. Oh, not clear trash. So sorry, I don't want to clear trash. I want to restore, only restore. And as you can see, photos I have removed 1 minute ago. I have recovered. I have restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.